In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into n8n. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll see on the site and add a few helpful tips along the way so you can sign in smoothly the first time. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official n8n website. Using the homepage is the simplest way to begin because it always points you to the correct sign-in flow regardless of your region or workspace. If you use n8n often, consider bookmarking the site to save time later. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click Sign In. This takes you into the secure login process. If you don't immediately see the option, give the page a second to finish loading or zoom out slightly so the header is visible. Next, you'll be asked for your n8n account name. This is typically the name of your organization, workspace, or the unique name you chose when creating your n8n cloud account. Think of it as the label that routes you to the correct environment. Type it carefully, spelling matters here, then continue. After confirming the account name, click Sign In to proceed. You'll be redirected to your workspace's dedicated sign-in page. This ensures you're logging into the right place and keeps your data scoped to your account. On the sign-in page, enter the email address you used when you registered for n8n. If your organization uses a company email, use that same address. Double check for typos, especially if your browser autofills this field. Now, enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on. If you use a password manager, let it fill the field for accuracy. Avoid pasting anything from unknown sources, and don't share your credentials. Click Sign In to complete the process. If your account has extra security enabled, you may be prompted for additional verification. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. If you see an error, recheck your account name, email, and password, and ensure you're on the official site. After a successful sign-in, you'll land on the overview page. This is your home base in n8n, where you can see your workflows, get a quick sense of activity, and jump into building or managing automations. If this page looks unfamiliar, confirm you're in the intended workspace by checking the account name displayed in the interface. That's it, your login is complete. For security, avoid signing in on shared devices or remember to sign out when you're done. Thanks for watching and enjoy automating with n8n.